Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Poinsettias, or Christmas stars. Sap in poinsettia leaves is mildly toxic to pets and children, and can cause vomiting, diarrhea, excessive drooling and nausea. In rare cases it can be fatal, but this is usually in young, elderly or dehydrated cats. Most pets don't eat nearly enough of the plant for this to happen.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Certain herbs might alleviate specific types of feline discomfort. These include dandelion and cat's claw, both of which contain cortisone-like properties to relieve itching. Other herbs, including calendula, chamomile and echinacea, also offer itch relief.
Take our lead.
Poinsettias prefer full sun, dry soil. Roots a problem. Plant poinsettias in full sun but in a place that does not receive any artificial light from the street, porch or house. Artificial light confuses them, and they will stay green. They like to be kept fairly dry.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Poinsettias are not very toxic to cats, but the milky white sap found in poinsettias contains chemicals called diterpenoid euphorbal esters and saponin-like detergents. If ingested, these substances will cause digestive upset, such as vomiting, drooling, or rarely, diarrhea may be seen.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.